Hey guys, welcome to the channel and thanks for watching Kenisthis. Today guys on the channel, we'll be cleaning one of my car wheels. As you can see, my wheel's pretty gross. It's caked on with brake dust. My entire car needs a wash, so we're just gonna wash the entire car and get off as much brake dust as I can. I started to notice that my paint is fading, but I can't tell because of how much brake dust there is. Also, the inside of the wheel is so caked on with brake dust, I can't tell the condition of the paint on the inside. So we're going to start by washing the car and seeing how much brake dust we can get off with the car wash. Let's go. Now that the car is washed, let's check out the wheel. The wheel looks a lot better, but there's still brake dust residue. And the back of the wheel is still caked on with brake dust. So we're going to take off the wheel and get behind there so that way we can clean off that brake dust. Unfortunately, I do see that my paint is fading and there's not much I can do about that, but we're going to take off the wheel so we can get to the back of the wheel and clean off all that brake dust on the back. Let's go. So there you have it, the wheel is off the car. Check it out. Look at all that caked on brake dust and tar. So first we're going to start by making sure we're wearing gloves. Then we're going to use this Meguiars Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. We're going to spray both sides of the wheel and let it soak for 15 minutes. After spraying both sides, I decided to take out the wheel cap so I can get on the insides of the grooves. So now I have my brush and bucket of water, so I'm just going to start scrubbing, and here's a time lapse of me scrubbing off as much brake dust with the brush and all-wheel cleaner. I was so amazed by how well the all-wheel cleaner worked that I had to stop halfway during the process to show you guys the results. Now I'm going to use water and a microfiber cloth to wash off the all-wheel cleaner. Lastly, I'm going to hit it with some bug and tar remover. I see that there are still some stains that the all-wheel cleaner did not get off, so we're going to do the same process that we did with the all-wheel cleaner by spraying it, let it sit for 15 minutes, and scrubbing it off. And there you have it guys, before and after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. My name's Ken. Thanks for watching Kenisthis, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.